Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Obsidian. Now Obsidian has to do with sharpening your thinking. You see, it is a free and flexible app for your private thoughts. You can get it for Windows and also for more platforms. Now, Windows and also for your phones. As you can see, your thoughts are yours. So Obsidian stores notes privately on your device, so you can access them quickly, even offline. No one else can read them, not even Obsidian. Your mind is unique, so you have thousands of plugins and themes you can shape Obsidian to fit your way of thinking. It is free without limits. You can download it now. Obsidian uses open file format, so you're never locked in. You own your own data for the long time. You can spark ideas from personal notes journaling, knowledge base and project management. Obsidian gives you the tools to come up with ideas and organize them. Links, graphs, canvas, plugins. And you can also sync securely. Access your notes on any device secure with end-to-end encryption. Publish instantly. Take your notes into an online wiki, knowledge-based documentation or digital garden. It is your time to shine. You can get Obsidian, join them on Discord, discussion forums, and developer docs. So what are you waiting for? Should we just quickly look at the pricing? Like we said earlier, free without limits. No sign-up required, no strings attached. But they have optional add-on services that make it easier to sync and publish your notes. So syncing $4 a month, and per user for a month, for publishing $8 per site per month, billed annually. It's 100% user supported. So you have optional license help to support the independent development of Obsidian. You have the catalyst plan, the commercial plan. So that's it about Obsidian. What are you waiting for? Download it today.